right. Hello, everybody. It's actually iLuna. It's not AI Luna, but that works as well. So I'm Lars. I'm the founder and CEO of iLuna. And I'm really excited to be here because we feel that with iLuna, we can play in so many different areas of Isle of Man. So iLuna is an AI-driven platform and app that helps change cybersecurity behavior, prevent fraud, and drive sustainability action and engagement. So I've been up against Deloitte and Mercedes. It's not every day that I'm up against those types of companies. So I thought I'm going to put everything into this challenge that I can. So I've been spending a lot of time on Isle of Man over the last 10 weeks. I've been here for a month when you add up all the days. So all the photos, they are not stock photos, but they're photos that I've taken myself. And during those 10 weeks, I've built a fantastic network into people and businesses on the island. And I'm even more excited about it now than when I started out. So I've also experienced all types of Isle of Man weather, and it's not deterred me. But most importantly, I've listened, I've learned, and I think I've explored a lot. And that has led me to be able to identify 3, I think, credible business and use cases. I was going to write incredible, but I thought that was probably going to be pushing it too far. But I'm just using the word credible for today. But before I get to the use cases or business cases, a very quick introduction to what iLuna is all about. So what we've built is a gamified behavior change and impact tracking platform consisting of the mobile app that the user, whether it's an employee or the citizen or a customer, is using. And on the back end, you've got a management portal or an interface that tracks engagement and impact of using the platform. We know that iLuna works, so we've been surveying our clients, and one of them is Asahi Breweries, where almost 90% of the employees that took part found that iLuna helped them build better habits, and almost 80% said they would be keeping up those habits. So when you land on iLuna, you will see that it comes with a very wide library of sustainability actions across a number of different categories. We've also implemented a lot of comprehensive gamification and nudging technology in the platform. Anything from Isle of Man characters we can build. We can integrate with the likes of Slack. We can integrate with calendars. We can integrate with social media. So to create that pull, that gamification and nudging, that is so important. We've also got an XP points program that can be integrated with customer loyalty points. So when you complete actions on the platform, those actions can be translated into something that is doing good in society. But really, the secret sauce behind our platform is our engine, our behavioral change engine, that allows us to create any type of action, any type of flow based on any topic. And that means that we can actually go after a very wide range of use cases. We started out in sustainability, but we're now extending the platform into other areas, and that's what I'm going to cover here today. We're also, of course, making significant use of AI in the platform to drive monitoring, prediction, personalization, and localization. So what is the connection then between cybersecurity and sustainability? Well, it's very logical because these things deal with people and decisions that are made by people. So when you look at cybersecurity, without addressing the human risk factor and social engineering better, which account for more than 90% of incidents, people will keep making mistakes. When it comes to sustainability, if you don't get your employees on board and they make the wrong decisions, that will impact your targets and your results. So we believe that what's needed is a more modern approach to embedding better behaviors at the right point in time, but also that it's action that drives belief and impact. It's about getting people started to do something, and then through action seeing that this was not so hard, I can do more. So we started out in 2019, we launched in 2021, and we've been doing product user fit testing with consumers in more than 50 countries. Because we believe that if a product doesn't work for consumer, it's not going to work for an employee either. In 2022, we launched into the business space. Last year, Westfield, Europe's largest shopping mall operator, chose us as their sustainability content partner. And this year, we are extending into cybersecurity, behavior change, and fraud prevention. We've got a fantastic team. I've been building startups for US companies for more than 25 years. A very experienced team, actually working across 8 different countries. I'm Danish, but I've lived in the UK for 25 years, and Eiluna is a UK company. When it comes to cybersecurity, we had the sustainability credentials, but we didn't have the right content for cybersecurity. And that's why we've now partnered with UK's most innovative and engaging content providers, with people from MI5, criminologists, actually ex-criminals, that are now providing us with the best content in the business on cybersecurity and fraud. So together with We Fight Fraud, we've started creating these behavioral change programs around different categories of fraud. And there are just some examples on the slide here. Eiluna can be used in several ways. It can be branded, so companies can brand their own area within the app. We are working on being able to offer a white label app so large companies can have their own instance of Eiluna, totally branded. We're coming out with a web-based version of Eiluna, so any type of worker can be engaged, whether it's a mobile or a desktop-bound worker. But most excitingly, we are in the process of breaking up Eiluna in components that can be embedded into existing apps and websites and drive behavior change and education through action. This also means that we can tap into integration or process flows. So when a customer has got a question or a concern or needs some sort of intervention, that is when we can launch the right type of actions and programs at the right point in time. But now getting to the business or use case proposals for Isle of Man that I've been working out based on my several weeks on the island. And what I want to point out here is also that with each of the 3 proposals, they're very different, but for each of them, we've identified who are the right stakeholders, and we are at the point where we can actually start putting these commercial proposals together and move very quickly, because this is all about execution, and we are ready. So the first one is something that's very close to my heart. So as one of the previous speakers mentioned, the Isle of Man government has been going through the carbon literacy training. Well, we happen to be partners of the Carbon Literacy Project, and one of the things we are hearing is that once the training has been completed, you agree to some pledges, but how do you keep track of those pledges? How do you keep track of the impact? How do you keep people going? So that's one of the projects that we are looking to land. But also looking at the general public, they've got a limited understanding of what has got the most environmental impact, perception versus reality. If you ask people, most people will say that recycling has got the most environmental impact. That is not true. What has got the most environmental impact, other than having one fewer child, which I'm not going to get into today, is actually looking at transportation and energy. That has got the biggest impact, so changing those behaviors. Now, the other one we are looking at, and we've been developing some relationships within some of the key institutions on the island, is looking at how can we help drive responsible gambling and fraud reduction. Because we know that gambling leads to addiction, and that leads to a tainted image in the mind of people and the world around us. So prevention is better than cure. So if we get to an understanding of that this player, this gamer, might be at risk of addiction, that would be the point in time where we can launch an intervention program activity campaign embedded in the app or embedded in the website that helps people before they get into trouble. And then finally, something that I'm also very excited about is responsible use of AI. If you look at the world around us, there is a general fear and ignorance around AI. People don't know exactly what is safe, how to use it, how not to use it.
1 minute left.
And what I'm hearing from many people is that Isle of Man have got an ambition becoming a world leader in responsible use of AI. And we believe that with our platform, engine, programs, and content, we can help Isle of Man to get there. So this would be about creating a technology showcase that informs and trains through action, and also promotes the biosphere globally, creating a digital biosphere, not just a physical biosphere. Finally, people ask us, what does Eiluna stand for? Iluna is Hawaiian, and it means up there, pointing at the moon, or in other words, aiming high. And we are aiming high. But I want to point out that regardless of the challenge outcome, this is only the beginning. I'm even considering relocating to the Isle of Man based on the experience I've had through this project and the last 10 weeks. So thank you so much, everybody.